Hello, Coastmad here and welcome to a new vlog. Today we're at Folly Farm in Wales. Now this park is definitely a farm, but also, as you can see over there, fun fairs as well. It's pretty good for the family. I do have to say I've been before filming this, but it is good. Alright, now going into the Dolly Barn, where you can do animal pets and stuff like that. It's pretty good. Have some big horse. Very big. Very big horse. More little horses. Now into this area, loads of cute goats. Lots of things. So this is the farm section of Folly Farm, obviously. It's in the name, it's farm. So there is vintage fun fair rides out of this. Very cool alpacas, I believe. Yep, alpacas. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. Some cool chickens now. Very cool. I mean, the farm is very good. I don't see why people don't want to come here. Very cool. Chickens. You can't eat the camera. More animals, including some pigs. And to end off the barn, some guinea pigs. And we're straight back out into the Folly Farm. And here we go over to the vintage fun fair here at Folly Farm. Loads of vintage fun fair rides here, and yeah, it's all good. Get a bit closer to it so you guys can see it. And they have other stuff here as well. Lots of things to do here. And here we are inside it all. A common twist ride, twister, carousel, flying carpet ride as well. It's very good. And away it goes, spreads all the way back here. Let's take a look at off-ride POV. And I'm gonna hop, oh my days, it's the Teletubbies, right, get me in here lads. Oh my god. Oh, right in the Teletubbies. Oh. Good to know that the rest of this area opens at 1 PM. Over they are getting testing done. Good to see. Good to see. Lots more rides back here that open at 1 o'clock. Alright, I've got to do a challenge. How many of these things can I fit in? Right. I've made it in just. Come on, guys. Number 1 in. Oh, my days. Just in. Right, next one. Oh no, I'm not getting that. Nope. Could I possibly get in this thing? We'll try this side. Yep, I'm in. Find out how good I look in that. Let's go. These horses are always fun. Submarine with an interactive screen on board. Got a nice little demo play here. Seems pretty good. Alright guys, because I'm dumb, I'm gonna go on this with a chest mounted GoPro. Can you see how good this looks, huh? Oh, I've got to go down that slide. It's gonna look good. Big play park they've got here at Folly Farm. Oh my days. Ugh. Oh. Right. We're gonna get on-ride POV for this, lads. On-ride POV! Wow, what a ride. Can't get better than that, guys. Oh, I see a yellow one way down there. Got to climb up that one. Right, let's go. Oh. Right, shall I go for the yellow one or the green? Let's go for the green one. On-ride POV coming soon, guys. Oh, what a view from down here though. It's good. Alright, time to go down. Oh, it's stopped in here. Oh. Actually, there's too many people down there, so I can't. But I'll go down this one. Oh, wow, I never know how to go down here. Ugh. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. Oh, there we go. I've made it, guys. Hold on for dear life now. Woo! And that is in fact a slide. Right, there's no people down there now, I'll go down that slide. But first, where does that slide go? I'll end up going down there. It's quite a big contraption. I'm not going through that. You can ignore that, mate. Oh. It's going to be an entertaining vlog. It's going to be peak. Oh. Just got to wait for someone to get down. And they're out. It's going to be peak, guys. It's pretty dark, so I don't know whether it'll catch on or not. Oh, come on, guys. We're going down the pitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! And it's an on-ride POV, guys. That is pretty dark, but also very good. I'm gonna quickly go down here before any kids get there. Oh my days. Oh. Alright guys. I'm gonna get on my POV on this slide. And it's a one. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh. Alright guys. Got one more slide to do, so I'm gonna climb up to save you guys some time. Alright, I've made it to the slide. We're gonna find out if it's any good. And yeah, if it's not any good, I think this might be the biggest slide here. Woo! Yeah, not really sure what's going on here. Oh my god. Oh, oh. That one, oh. And that's gonna be the end of doing my POVs.
Feet up, Fiona.
Just slam your feet across the floor.
I've forgotten this actually goes quite fast, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Definitely put my feet up.
Yeah, true.
Scraped across the floor at the start. Yeah, that's what I mean. You need to keep your feet up.
I can walk with my feet. Alright, so after that on my POV, there's a new play park here since I've been. I'm gonna load in. Not very obvious, but you know, we're gonna ride it anyway. Woo! Oh my days. Oh! And right out. It's a big enclosure. Very cool. Big one. Penguin enclosure.
Look at him.
Should right, keeping your arms and legs in circles at all times. Please travel along the right hand side of the track and move deliberately bumping for your own safety. Thank you. Blue car, straight left this area. this car has come to a complete stop. Thank you.
That's a good idea. Alright, that is going to be the end of my Folly Farm vlog 2025. It's a very good park overall, and I don't doubt that it is one of the best that there is. So we are going to stop the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. It's been Close to Mad. Goodbye.